Good morning to you. It must be 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time because it's Hardison'S Tips. I'm your host, Brandon Hardison, president of Champion Strategies, where we try to assist our brothers and sisters in sales, whether it's major account, key account, up and down the street, in-home retail, or automotive sales. So we do this every morning, Monday through Friday, because you're trying to get ready. We want you to be positive and make some money. So let's get to it. We're going to look at it in two parts today, going to the automotive industry. And my question is to you, how do you be a successful automobile vehicle sales professional in this digital age? You know, it's no secret the future of the automotive sales industry is shifting gears. Car buyers are spending less time at dealerships and more time online. But do you know how to be successful as a car professional as we move further into this digital age? Here's what I'm saying. While the process of selling cars used to be a well-oiled machine, complete with print ads, billboards, that's just not enough anymore. Things have changed. Change is the only constant that we can look at in life. So, with that said, the price point and every other detail of every comparable vehicle within 1,500 miles is at the customer's fingertip. So, as low as we can go with prices, they even know. So you can use a lot of charisma, a friendly demeanor. It may help you sell a vehicle, but it's no use if people aren't coming into your dealership in the first place. You can't wait for customers to stroll in. The up bus is not coming. That doesn't happen anymore. You need to actively achieve face to face time with your customers before they even step foot onto your lot. That requires a video. So, as you can figure out how to become a better professional automotive salesperson in the 21st century, we know that it's going to require some agile, plug-in minded opportunities that are hidden maybe to some of you that haven't done this. So to help you navigate this new way of buying model that consumers are embracing, here's just some things that you need to consider in this modern digital era. First thing has never changed. Learn people's names and remember them. Now, what is a name? A lot, actually, especially if you want to sell a vehicle. If you want to learn how to be a successful professional in this day and age, you need to start learning the names of current and future customers and remembering them. This needs to happen before any car presentation is made. And adding names to the subject line of your marketing emails, while among other good email texts, doesn't cut it alone. You see, with the progression of technology, the personal touch of communication has dwindled. Plain text emails, especially marketing emails, have lost their enthusiasm, but people still need to know that you're not a number in order to trust you. Especially this is a purchase that they'll only be making a handful of times in their lifetime. So as soon as you get an online lead, learn their names. Send them an introductory video email. Use their name and your message in a natural way, like you would with a friend, having a casual conversation. You can also write their name on a whiteboard to display an animated GIF to increase their likelihood pressing play. How about another thing? Answering questions. Your knowledge, better than Google, once their introduction has been made to that customer, you are bound to have questions pouring into your inbox. But customers are more educated than ever before. They have access to the same stock that you do, and they're interested in vehicles that can be anywhere around the country. They also have access to the same Carfax and other reports that you do right from their phone. They probably already initiated at least one or a few conversations with other dealership sales professionals through email or some digital communication medium before talking to you. However, only you can give them a full picture alone, the car buying process, not Google. Part of figuring out how to be a successful professional right now is learning to adapt. So, to stand out in the new playing field, you need to give prospective clients direct answers to their questions on a personal level via automotive video email. This is how you'll give them a great vehicle buying experience that will bring you success. Now, as you record, make sure that the customer's name, make sure you don't contradict anything that the customer is looking for. Give them the opportunity to tell you the things that they want in the vehicle. They're going to buy it. They know how they want to buy. Ask the questions, give them what they want. Don't contradict. It can come across as condescending instead of really steering them towards the truth. I guess what I'm saying is that video is the only way you can get across with empathy. Plain text, emails, answers can be misinterpreted. Don't take the risk. Be good value people the way Google cannot do it, because that's what they depend on is Google, but Google is not you, the professional. Now, we'll take a look at this again tomorrow in part 2. Once again, Brandon Hardison, another Hardison's tip on Monday, September the 21st of 2020, as we get through the last quarter of this year. And as always in parting, going out there and you make it a chance.